friends, welcome to my channel Fun and Learn with Darian. Today is part 8 of me solving metal and wooden brain teasers out of my puzzle box. In last video, I taught you guys how to solve this wooden barrel puzzle. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve the horseshoe puzzle and the metal hook puzzle. So let's get started. If you want to follow along, I have posted the Amazon link to the puzzle box in the comments below. So let's start. First, let's do the metal puzzle hook first. So you can see it's stuck together. So what you want to do to get it out is bring this hook and align it with this hook. Then you can see these bees have aligned. So you want to take this bee over here and twist it over like this, pull it up, twist this hook up, and then twist this hook like this, and then pull this down, and then pull this up. And then now it's only stuck with the hook. So you can just go the direction of the hook and it's out. So what you want to do is retrace your steps. So you want to put it in the hook and then retrace the steps. And then once you get to this bee, you want to twist this up. And now make sure this pole goes in this pole goes in this circle. Put it in and then twist. So that's the metal hook puzzle. Now I'm going to show you how to do it quickly one more time. This hook like this. Now I'm going to put it in. Now I'm going to solve this horseshoe puzzle. So the first thing you want to do is observe the mechanism of this. So this ring is stuck, and the objective of this puzzle is to get this ring out. So you need to keep this ring, hold it by your thumbs and keep it in the center. Make sure it stays in the center. Then you want to bring these ends, these curves up together and hold it like this and hold it. So you want to bring it up. So now you have full control of this. And with your thumbs, you want to, I'm not sure, you want to bring these rings up so it doesn't overlap these rings. And put this curve through this little gap, through these. So I'll show you how to do it. And now make sure nothing's getting in the way. Can't be a little challenging, but you just gotta keep tugging. And you have your ring like this. So now the next step is easy. You can just slip it off. How you want to put it back together is also kind of challenging, but easy. You want to put it through this glue and then hold it like this, and then you want to push this in with your thumb and it's in. So I'll show you how to do it quickly one more time. Out. In. So that was it for this part 8. Stay tuned because I'm going to post part 9 very soon. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.